In this video, I want to give you 6 more project management hacks in 3 minutes. Number 1. Any project management problem or issue that demands a compromise will always boil down to one of 4 factors: time, cost, quality, or scope. You can always resolve your problem by making a compromise to one of those. The question is, which one is the right one to compromise on? Number 2. I call this the felicity factor. Happy people get more work done. Happy people make better decisions. Happy people are more creative. Hey, happy people even live longer. So what's your job as a project manager? It's to keep your team happy. Number 3. Don't waste your time and your energy complaining or trying to assign blame. It achieves nothing, gets nothing done, and it actually ends up making everyone more miserable. And I love the quote from the film Papillon by the character Delegate, who says, "Blame is for God and small children." So unless you consider that you're one of those, don't do it.
Blame is for God and small children.
Number 4. Delegate outcomes rather than tasks. It can be very tempting as a project manager to find a number of tasks and to give them to someone else to do. That's not a satisfying role for that person. Set them an outcome, and if necessary, guide them as to the sort of tasks that will take them from where they are to that outcome. But allowing someone to craft their own process to deliver the outcome is giving them more responsibility, more trust, and therefore building up their motivation as well as giving them a chance to learn and develop. Number 5. The only source of truth on your project is reality. And that means prototypes, pilots, and testing are crucial to a successful project. Don't take someone's word for it. Don't make assumptions. Don't think that it's got to work because we've done it right, because the universe doesn't respect your intellect. It only respects reality. So test it out first. It's better to have a spectacular failure at test or a pilot or prototype that goes dramatically wrong than it is to assume that everything's going properly and to launch with an untested, unpiloted, unprototyped project. Number 6. Speak with everyone. Get to know everyone on your whole team. Now, if you're a project manager with a huge team, you can't become personal friends, build up a relationship with everyone on your team. But at some point, during the life cycle of your project, you've got to get around and talk to everyone. You've got to meet everyone on your team. And unless your team is huge, start to know everyone, get to know everyone, form strong relationships with all your team leaders, and visit each team or each part of your project as frequently as you can. Project management is a human endeavor, and you're a leader. And people will only follow a leader whom they know. So speak to your team, get to know them. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to learn quickly whenever we release a new video. In the meantime, I look forward to seeing you at the next one.